Hi, thanks for checking out our YouTube video. Here are black kitchen sinks for your kitchen remodel in 2023. If you've been on the lookout for an elegant and timeless kitchen sink that can drastically improve your home's aesthetic value, then black kitchen sinks undermount is definitely something to consider. There are a whole range of benefits to having a black undermount sink in your kitchen, including sophistication, durability, and a unique style. With this blog post, we are going to uncover all the details you need to know before deciding if one of these modern and luxurious sinks is right for you. So come along with us and explore why investing in one of these beautiful pieces may be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let me show you my favorite black kitchen sinks by Ruvati. First up, Ruvati Granite Composite Undermount Sink in Midnight Black. The Epi Granite series of kitchen sinks from Ruvati sets a new trend for the home kitchen. If you are looking beyond stainless steel and want to add some color and character to your kitchen design, the Epi Granite sinks are an elegant choice. The sink is constructed from 80% crushed natural granite. Next up, Ruvati RVL 2100 BK. Size 30 by 20-inch fireclay reversible farmhouse apron front kitchen sink finished in glossy black. The FIMA FIRA clay kitchen sink from Ruvati sets a new standard in home kitchen design. Hand-built in Italy by skilled artisans who have mastered their craftsmanship over generations, Ruvati fireclay sinks are at the pinnacle of art and form. The raw clay used in Ruvati's fireclay sinks is a unique natural white clay found only in a few regions in the world, including Italy. The clay is fired at an extremely high temperature of 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit, giving the solid sink exceptional strength and durability. Next, we have Ruvati RVG 2385 BK. Size 33 by 19-inch granite composite undermount sink. Double bowl low divide kitchen sink finished in midnight black. The sink is constructed from 80% crushed natural granite, giving the sink extreme durability and the look of real stone. The sink is colored all the way through for a rich and consistent look that will never discolor. The surface of the sink undergoes a proprietary treatment, making it resistant to stains, bacteria, and extreme temperatures up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit. The sink comes with a basket strainer drain assembly that traps food waste and is easy to empty into the trash. Ruvati Epi Granite sink comes in 8 different color options ranging from warm Caribbean sand to elegant black galaxy. Now you can have a kitchen that truly reflects your style and personality. If you would like to learn more about black kitchen sinks, then check out our blog in the description below, or visit our website.